You look like you thinking about it. Riding. So what's going on, riders? We're out here exploring on the mini bikes, trying to get through this break-in period still, and getting yelled at by stupid drivers because we're going too slow. But it is what it is. But we're out basically just going down random streets and neighborhoods we ain't never been in. So we're gonna see what we find. Okay, I have no clue where this goes. I don't know if this is the street I've been. Oh yeah. Yeah, it brought us right to where we was just at. So we've never been down this street, and this is a no outlet. Why they hide the sign to where you can't even see it? I think we're gonna have to turn around because this is somebody's private property. Once we get to the end of this dead drive. Yeah, that's private property right there. Pretty sure. It's a big house and a farm. So I finally decided on what tires I'm gonna get for the Z, and I've decided to go with I'll just let y'all see, but they're gonna be some knobby tires, but you'll see once I get them, because I actually want to be able to go off-road and ride in some dirt and stuff like that. I feel like it'll be kind of fun, especially on this little thing. Look, they doing graduation pics. I'm gonna tell them congratulations, I guess. Congratulations! There's no graduations this year, so everybody gotta do their graduations however they can get them done. Hey, look, we're gonna go to the movies. They're doing curbside movies. Curbside movies. This is the best way to put miles on the Z125s. Just hit the loop a few times. Oh, there we go. We got it. We're leaning low. They probably are. Time to go. That's one way to put miles on the bike, and that's a good way because we won't annoy anyone. We're not in traffic. I could do that all day. It'll get us good at going in circles too. This is a great place to ride, and there's no outlet. Get the hell out of here. There is an outlet, but we'd have to drive through that grass right there and bust through them bushes, and we come out right there on the street we want to be on. I forgot you don't know how to get up the hump though, because we'd have to get up that hump and we go right through them bushes and we'd be perfect. I guess you're ignoring me and my bush idea, huh? So yeah, I can't wait to get the knobbies, semi-street, semi-dirt tires on here. Still trying to talk the wife into getting some too, so that when we're out riding, she's not stuck when I just go jump through some woods or some trees or something. She can go too, even though she's probably scared. Do quick jumping jack, cause my ass hurt. Jumping jacks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whew! I'm extra tired now. Them jumping jacks wore me out. Oh, it's a Duke 390. Those are nice bikes. Oh, look. Oh, he got his mouth open. He's like, you get away from my babies. He got both his baby mamas and all his ducks with him. That just looked like a dead body could be over there. Oh, somebody had a Bud Light. So we got another bike behind us. We gonna let him pass because we only going 30. Gotta love the sound of them Harleys. You just can't get over it. Whenever you think of a motorcycle, you think of a Harley-Davidson. I literally feel like this is the most I've ridden in a very long time since I got this little thing. But that's probably because I'm trying to hit 600 miles. I'm trying to hit 1,000 actually, but right now I'm at 257. So I got a ways to go. And we got a ways to go. Get over here so these cars can come past us. And they're not gonna go. Like, we're letting you pass and you slow down? What the heck? I hate when people do that. We letting them go and they slow down. But then they get mad if they stuck behind us. Alright, so we're gonna do a 4,000 RPM speed run. And we're gonna get this lean angle jumping off. You gotta get your booty way up in the air and make your knees touch your elbows. You see that? I got my knees touching my elbows, and you just hit it. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. That was that wasn't technically right at all. That was just stupid. That's not a good riding position because my legs was wide open for wind to just blow in there. It didn't make sense. I'm hitting the circle a few times. Just turn right here. Dun, dun, dun. Here we go. Circle run. And he's off. And he's going around the circle really fast. And he's hitting the circle. He's putting some miles on it. Oh, there's cars coming. But he's still going. He's going. Is he going to beat the Mini Cooper? Is he going to beat him? Is he going to beat him? Oh, yeah. He took the Mini Cooper. And he's still going. He's still going. He thinks he can take him again. He's going to do it one more time. He's going around. He's going. He's going. He's going. And there's the police. So I'm going to go down and come back. So we're literally trying to find every way possible to put miles on these things. Like literally. Just going down random streets, going through every single neighborhood, doing circles around the little circle thingies or whatever those are called, the roundabouts, that's what they're called. Doing circles around the roundabouts, anything we can to get these things broke in so we can have a blast. But just from riding this every single day, I got some more different tips and things that I feel like would make this a much better bike. And they're literally all things that you can do to it to make it better. So number one, getting rid of those stock handlebars is a must. Since I've swapped out these handlebars, it's made the bike feel a lot more comfortable, a lot bigger. Even though it's not bigger, it feels bigger because my arms are spread a little more and they're more forward. So as you can see, my arms are almost fully extended. So it just makes it a little bit more comfortable versus before they were kind of like that, a little crunched in. Another thing that you'd have to do to this bike to enjoy your ride is you got to swap out the seat. I got to do that next. The seat literally sucks. Like after riding for like an hour, my butt is in severe pain. Not that anyone would probably ride these for longer than an hour. I don't see anybody doing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I lost count, hours on this bike. I just don't see that being logical or making sense. But someone may. I mean, if I was out having fun on it, I could see myself being out here for 2, 3 hours, because I've been out here today probably for about 2 hours. But literally my butt feel like it need ice. Another thing that I feel like needs to be done immediately is you got to change out these levers. These levers suck. They're too long, especially if you don't use your entire hand to clutch and brake. They're just too long. They're not very usable, I feel like. I mean, they just suck. I mean, that's something you got to do. You got to swap out these levers immediately. Another thing that I'm not that fond of is the mirrors. I think the mirrors take away from the look of the bike, and they're not extremely functionable. Like, you got to lean over to look in the mirror to see what's behind you. So you might as well have some smaller mirrors that aren't taking up much room. We're going to pull right here and let this guy go past. Let's go. Another thing you got to do to this bike, which I've already done, you got to get rid of that exhaust it comes with. It looks good with the exhaust it comes with, but it sounds like shit. And you can't be heard. And when you're on something this small, you can't be too quiet because no one will notice you. You want to be heard when you're going down side streets, when you're going through neighborhoods. You need to be heard so that people can recognize there's a motorcycle in the area, So that way they'll be looking out for you. Otherwise, you're going down the street sounding like an electric scooter and they're not going to even hear you. So you got to swap out your pipes if you're on something like this. Another upgrade is the headlight sucks, especially for night riding. You're going to want to get you a LED headlight or LED bulb. And yeah, and that part sucks too. And that right there, that they just, yeah, that sucks. So you definitely want to do something with your headlight to make yourself more visible. Another thing is you got to get rid of that rear fender. That fender is jiggling all over the place while I'm riding, and the blinkers are just bouncing up and down like some stupid floppy bunny ears or something. So you got to get rid of that and throw an integrated tail light on there. I mean, that's not going to stop your performance, but it just takes away from the looks of it. So those are some things I feel like that need to be done. Oh, and another thing you'll want to do to the bike, like as soon as possible, is the tires that come with it are okay, but I've noticed they're not very sticky, they're not very grippy, and they kind of suck a little bit. So for you to be on something this small, you want to have some good tires. So if you're going to be mainly all street, you want to get yourself a pair of really good sticky street tires. Or if you plan on doing both, you want to go ahead and get you some knobbies. Or if you plan on doing all dirt, you want to get some bigger knobbies or whatever. But you definitely want to swap out the tires so that way you got better grip and traction. And a last tip, if you're looking for one of these, either a Grom, a Z125, a SSR Razkull, any of those type of mini bikes, get one that has already gone through the break-in period, because this break-in period sucks if you care about doing the break-in period. Because going 30 miles per hour for 600 to 1,000 miles sucks. But it's your boy Infinit Ryda signing out. I will see y'all in the next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and comment below. And as always, stay safe, be blessed, and get out there on two wheels, people. Love y'all. Deuces.